very good afternoon everyone. This is Anuja Mukherjee, PGT English, and today me along with my colleagues we are here to review the board examination 10th standard English. So after a very challenging maths exam, now comes the turn of English, but as they say, English never disappoints. So I would like to talk a little about the structure of the paper. So usually English paper, there are three sections. The section A is reading skills, section B is grammar and creative writing, and section C is literature. So the division of marks is 20 marks for reading section, 20 marks, 10 marks for creative writing, 10 marks for grammar, and section C, which is literature, carries 40 marks. So now Yashasvi ma'am would go ahead with describing the reading section.
Now we talk about reading skills. First passage and second passage are descriptive and questions are very easy and straight questions थे. और पहले जो क्वेश्चंस थे तो उस टाइम तो एंटोनियम एंड सिनोनियम्स आए थे, लेकिन इस टाइम जो है वो एंटोनियम और सिनोनियम जो इस टाइम नहीं आए इन क्वेश्चन पेपर में, और दोनों ही पैसेज काफ़ी इजी थे और सिंपल थे. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो पूछे गए थे.
नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ग्रामर सेक्शन. तो एज पर लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन, दिस ईयर जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है उनका लेवल वेरी इजी, वी कैन से मॉडरेट लेवल क्वेश्चन थे. अगर आपने प्रॉपर टाइम टू टाइम मतलब रूल्स को फॉलो करके और क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने की ट्राई किया है तो आपने अच्छे से क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट कर लिया होगा. ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं था जिसमें आपको डिफिकल्ट लेवल या फिर आपको ओवर थिंक करनी हो या फिर जिसमें कुछ मिक्सअप हो, ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था. जैसे कि लास्ट ईयर के क्वेश्चन थे तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि जो ग्रामर का लेवल था वो वेरी इजी लेवल था, और उम्मीद है आपने अच्छे से क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट किया.
Now we see the creative writing skill. In this portion, we see the both seat. First, in this portion, we give two questions, leader and alternative paragraph. In later portion, both leaders are given easily. If we see the set second, later be critical. Student need to give answer for thinking, and when we see the alternative paragraph, it be easily. In this portion, give a table and with the help of table, student give their answer easily.
Coming to the literature section, from both the sets we have set 1 and set 2. So if I talk about set 1, the questions were pretty simple. They were just NCERT questions where you just had to frame your own answers. So if you have a detailed analysis of the chapter, if you have read throughout the year, you will have no problem in answering those questions. But while talking about set 2, I would like to say that difficulty portion of the set 2 was a little high because questions were a little out of box. So you had to think a little about the questions and then frame your answers. So that required students to do a little out of box thinking, and their creative writing skills were put to use in that. So apart from the difficulty level, nothing extraordinary was there in literature section, and student could attempt both the sets quite well. After attempting all the sections, I had a little chat with the students. So while talking about the cream students who had attempted set 2, I got a very positive review from them. So few of them were very confident that ma'am, just 1 or 2 marks are going to get cut from grammar section because that is the margin that of course we take. And those who attempted set 1, they were also very confident, they were very happy, and they ensured me that we will score very good marks in English. So if I personally talk as their English teacher, I was very satisfied with this year's questions, and students have given a lot of hard work. They have done a lot of reading, thorough reading practice, and I hope they will do way better this year. And with that, I would like to wish them all the very best for the next exam.